The mobile and IT hardware industry is driven by rapid innovation, high production volumes, and ever-changing customer demands. From smartphones and tablets to laptops, desktops, networking equipment, and computer peripherals, manufacturers must manage complex production processes while maintaining superior quality and faster time to market. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of mobile and IT hardware manufacturing, helping businesses improve productivity, reduce costs, and achieve operational excellence. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From product engineering and bill of materials to procurement, production planning, PCB assembly, component management, quality inspection, inventory control, testing, packaging, and dispatch, every process is seamlessly connected. This improves collaboration, eliminates manual operations, and provides complete visibility across the manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced production planning helps optimize machine utilization, workforce allocation, and material availability while ensuring production schedules are completed on time. Real-time monitoring enables manufacturers to track work orders, production progress, inventory movement, and resource utilization, allowing faster decision-making and improved operational efficiency.